with Off Leash Canine West Coast. This is Sasha. She is a 5-year-old German Shepherd and she just got dropped off for our 2-week board and train program. She's here for a couple reasons. First one being a little bit of dog aggression towards her other dog in her household. And her owners are just having a really hard time controlling her, and when she does get into some of those aggressive times, they're having a hard time getting her off. Also, when she just gets worked up, overexcited, she won't listen to any of her commands, any obedience, and so it's really hard for her owners, again, to control her. So let me just show you a little bit of what she knows on day 1. Sasha, come. Good, sit. Sasha, sit. Good girl. Down. Sasha, down. Good. So as you can see, she does know her basics. She has been through another board and train program before, years ago. So she does have her basics, but she doesn't just really want to listen, especially when she's worked up. So can't wait to show you her progress in just 2 weeks.